Hey everybody, welcome back. And today we have some cranberry kombucha cranberry sauce. Pretty simple. We got some can of kombucha. We have the cranberries, some brown sugar, and then I add in a little bit of some orange juice, some lime, or some lemon juice, and some pomegranate juice. So right here we're just gonna let it break down a little bit, get all the juices up. I got this Strainge Beast Kombucha, it's pretty good. Oh, I also added some ground cinnamon too. But if you have Allspice, that would also work very well. I added a pinch of salt. It just brings it all together. That's sweet and salty and tart. And this is a pretty simple, pretty versatile recipe too. You can add this, you can replace the cranberries with some blueberries or some mangoes or some raspberries. It doesn't really matter. It works with pretty much anything. Just gonna bring it back up to a simmer and just let it break down. I got my oranges and my lemons prepped. I should have paid more attention with this camera angle because you can't really see anything. So my bad. Still learning how this thing works. So yeah, just put everything together. It's a pretty simple recipe. Put all the ingredients together, mix it up, let it simmer, and let it just cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and everything should be pretty good. Added some pomegranate juice. Put some tart, even more tart to it. You can use apple juice, something sweeter. We already got the kombucha, some sugar, and yeah. Hope you try it out. This kombucha cranberry sauce. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.